Turning your engine L2V24 engine turn. The engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Same as well the alternator here. On top, everything is good. Didn't see any damages. And the engine number is over here. It's visible to see. No problem. And the starter here also good, no problem. Same as well in front here. And the turbo here also good, no problem. Very nice, very good. And down here, the oil sump and the gearbox also good, no damage, no broken. And the engine is turning good.